manger ou quitter manger l'ambiance. Allez, score ou mettre fin n'importe brillant. Chérie, manger banane, manger banane.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Roxley and I'm back with another wig review. So this wig was sent to me from Ft.Samsbeauty.com. So if you are a new viewer, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Also make sure you are hitting that bell so you don't miss any notifications of when I upload new videos. So today you guys, I'm going to be showing you this wig review. It is by their Celebrity 100% Virgin Remi Human Hair full lace wig, and it is 24 inches. So I'm doing this video just a little bit different because the first clip that I initially did, it got deleted, and I don't know how or why, and you know, I don't know how it got deleted, but it got deleted. So this part here, I'm just showing you guys how I basically lay the wig down. As you guys can see, this wig does not come pre-plucked. The great thing is that you can part it whichever way that you would like. So if you wanted to go ahead and pluck this unit, you can definitely obtain that type of look. I did very minimal plucking, which you'll see in just about a few moments there. Now I'm just getting all of my straighteners and everything ready so that I can go ahead and straighten this unit down. As you guys can see, there is going to be like a little bit of a flap on the side there. Naturally, my hairline does not come out way to there, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just cut this part right here, okay, because that's gonna bother me. And then from here, basically, we're just gonna go ahead and just straighten the unit because I want to achieve that bone straight type of look. And as you guys can see right there, you can see where you can actually part this unit, you know, in whichever way that you would like. I actually saw a video on this same hair that this girl actually made it into a braided unit, like very stylish, very different. I wish I could braid, honestly.
My sexy love, say you love me, say you love me, but you never left for me, yeah. Ooh, all we do is make up and break up. Why don't we wake up and see? It's that remix to ignition. I'm fresh out the kitchen, mama rolling that body, got every minute you wishing. We sipping, I go and run. I'm like, so what, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, baby, I'm thinking you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need.
Now for this part, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Nairobi mousse. It actually makes it a little bit easier for me to flatten the wig and straighten it with my hot comb and everything, because it just looked a little bit too bulky for me. I like a bone straight flat type of look when I have like straight hair. Alright, so that is what I'm doing here, just to kind of obtain that look, y'all. Another tip for you guys, if you want your wig super flat, I would recommend washing the unit first before you get started on this whole process. Here I'm just trying to see if I can create just a little bit of baby hairs, just like a little small swoop or something like that. So I kind of do it first, and then I'm gonna go in and cut that piece off.
Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster, like controller. Yeah, like controller.
And as you guys can see, I went ahead and tied it down when I was done. So right now I'm just removing that, and ooh baby, you can see where it's already, you know, getting a little flatter, like how we like it. So yeah, I'm just going back in again with my hot comb. This was a lot of work as far as straightening the unit to get it to be like bone straight. Another thing that I would recommend, if you do have a mannequin head, you can do this on your mannequin head as well. But I think it's a little bit better to do it on your own head, considering the fact that this does not have any clips as well. So I think it's a little bit better doing it on your own head, so you can kind of like mold it in a way to the shape of your head. And then I'm just going in with my makeup here for the parting space, and we are done, y'all.
It's the freaking weekend, baby. I'm thinking you should let me love you. Let me be the one to get.
Alright, you guys, so this is the final look right here. Definitely let me know what you guys think. I am absolutely in love with this human hair wig, y'all. So as you guys already know, I did receive this hair from Ft.Samsbeauty.com. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick rundown about this unit, all the specs, all the deets, everything you need to know before you go ahead and purchase this unit. I'm not for sure how much it retails for, but I will be sure to leave the link down in the information box below if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit. Now, first things first, this unit does not come with any type of clips whatsoever. No clips in the front, no clips in the back. You don't get any type of clips at all with this unit. All right, so if you are someone who likes to have clips in there, I would suggest you buy some or like sew them on there or whatever it is. So it is a full lace. It's like a 360, I believe. Let me go ahead and pull up the information here. So this unit is 24 inches. It is straight Brazilian hair, and the density of this unit is 130%. It is 100% virgin Remi human hair, handmade full lace wig. All right, y'all. So the cap size is average size, which I agree with. Like, I wouldn't say it's like super small, and I wouldn't say it's like super big, because being that it actually didn't have any clips, I didn't have to go down all the way around, because I thought for a quick second that I'd have to go ahead and do the back as well, but it's actually not bad. I would say this is probably like a medium size fit, but not too small, not too big, so it's just right. Another thing here, so this unit, it can be bleached, permed, and dyed. I did not go ahead and pluck any of the baby hairs, so it didn't come with any baby hairs, but the hairline itself, I would recommend, if you're someone who likes to have your units plucked, you are going to have to put in some work and pre-pluck this unit. I didn't do any of that simply because I just didn't have all that time to be doing all that. Like, it looks like it was going to be a lot of work to go ahead and pluck this unit thoroughly. All right, so all I did was I kind of brushed down the side right here. I created just a little bit of baby hair up here, and then I called it a day. So how I was able to get this wig super flat, because as you guys saw in the beginning of the video, like when I initially put the wig on, it was super like wiggy looking, like it was very thick, like the hairline looks completely different than what it looks like right now. Okay, so what I did, and as you guys saw in the video, I applied a whole lot of mousse and then I straightened it. Now, the best mousse on the market that I absolutely swear by is the Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. This is good for waves, crunches, like anything that you're trying to accomplish. Like, this is your go-to mousse, like, because I use it for straight hair, and I also use it for when I'm trying to define my curls. So you need to get that. And then I went ahead and used my Got To Be Glue spray, as you guys saw, to kind of hold this thing down right here. I do have on 2 stocking caps because I wanted this to look super flat as possible. And I didn't show you guys this part, but after I straightened the wig in the end, what I went ahead and did was I tied my hair down for about 5 to 6 minutes tops, not really 10 minutes because my head started hurting, so I had to go ahead and untie it really quickly. But this is the result. So, and then I also brushed my own like little sideburn thing over here. I was gonna do a part in the middle, but I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do it off to the side like this. And you definitely need this wig in your wig collection, sis. Like, if you want a human hair wig that is affordable, so not too expensive, this is your wig right here. So I actually have the website pulled up right now so I can tell you guys how much it is. So this unit is $199. The regular price was $399, so $189, that I think that's a great deal. And then you can wash this unit, you can bleach it. I mean, if you want to do something else with this unit, you can do that, boo. Like, this is so worth it, for real. Like, I'm loving it. And that's how I was able to get this bone straight look here. So I used my hot comb and I used my flat iron. after I apply my mousse and all of that. So that's how I was able to get it like super flat, super bone straight. Like, who doesn't love a bone straight wig, y'all? Like, seriously, this is so cute. This is like your everyday type of wear. Like, you can wear this to work, you can wear this on a date, you can wear it just because. Like, this is like an everyday type of look. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, like literally. This is your everyday wig right here. Y'all need this in your wig collection. So all of my human hair wig lovers, like, you need to go ahead and cop this unit right here. And all of those who are worried about the price, if it is a little bit too much for you, don't you worry, sweetie. Like, I am going to be showing you guys some synthetic units that are bone straight and all of that jazz. So if you can't afford this one, there's another one that looks very similar to it, and that'll give you the same type of look. All right, so yeah, that's all that I have for you guys today. Before I let you guys go, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Also, make sure you're hitting that bell so you don't miss any notifications of when I upload new videos. And also, leave some comments, y'all. Like, that helps my channel grow. So leave a lot of comments. Let me know what I could have done differently, or if you absolutely love this unit, all of that jazz. Just leave some comments. All right, so yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.